Title: Nominal versus Real GDP. The nominal value of an economic statistic is the commonly announced value. The real value is the value after adjusting for changes in inflation. To convert nominal economic data from several different years into real, inflation-adjusted data, the starting point is to choose a base year arbitrarily and then use a price index to convert the measurements so that economists measure them in the money prevailing in the base year. The nominal value of any economic statistic means that we measure the statistic in terms of actual prices that exist at the time. To calculate nominal GDP, we simply multiply the current prices with current quantities. The real value refers to the same statistic after it has been adjusted for inflation. Generally, it is the real value that is more important. To calculate real GDP, we simply multiply the base year prices with current quantities. Whenever we compute a real statistic, 1 year, or period, plays a special role. It is called the base year, or base period. The base year is the year whose prices we use to compute the real statistic. When we calculate real GDP, for example, we take the quantities of goods and services produced in each year and multiply them by their prices in the base year, so we get a measure of GDP that uses prices that do not change from year to year. That is why real GDP is labeled constant dollars, which means that real GDP is constructed using prices that existed in the base year. GDP deflator is the ratio of nominal GDP to real GDP.